I like giving out potential 2 to 300% runners. We've seen the potential already today. It's at $1.73 currently. I'm using a new strategy here. I'm using the parabolic SAR strategy. This gives me a good indication of where trend is going to go when I'm doing my day trades. As you see, I'm on this 1 minute time period. I went 6 for 6 today in my day trades. And how do I do it? I grind and I find strategies that work, and this one works. So if you want to come and I'll teach you, come over to the Discord. It's $10.99 a month. But look at this one, EYEN. Why is this significant? Went up about 50 cents today, and they are eyeing here a potential merger deal that is going to be binding and done with by June 7th, which is from now almost 2.5 weeks. So we're going to see more volatility here. But what I like about this is they did lower their cash burn rate by 70% from year over year. That's what they just came out with on their current report for their financial results for this quarter. What I do like about this though is they're an ophthalmic technology company developing the proprietary OptiJet topical ophthalmic medication dispensing platform, which to me I don't really know what that actually does. But if they, okay, here we go. It says they focus on glaucoma with access to iosol. So we all know that eye issues is a major thing nowadays. But what is even more significant is that they're treating glaucoma with a topical medication that is going to be accessible to this new company once they binded. What I do think though, if we're not going off what this merger news is specifically, and we're just kind of going on to technicals and using FOMO and the volatility, I think this also here, there's the shares float is very low, 2.70 million. But I think this runs to about where I'd be taking my profits, getting back in. It's $1.73. I'd get $1.88. I think this can run also to, once this merger gets closer, we see in the 240s, 250 range. I'd be taking that and be happy with that. You'd be close to getting about a 50 to 60% profit on this. But EYEN, I played it today, did well, but I want to play it again. I like doing these merger ubiquitous plays that can either go up really high or they can just kind of be in scalp mode. But keep your eyes on this. But here's more a little detail real quick. Is it's traded at 96% below its fair market value comparatively to its other companies that kind of do the same thing, more or less. And that's what I like about using this Simply Wall Street. Revenue is forecasted to grow 52.81%. Their burn, like I said, their burn cash rate is definitely significantly reduced from year over year compared to its last quarter. If we look at this, it's below fair market value. Its price booked to its peers. I think they're saying the fair market value can be 33.27. I think this can just potentially run to 6 or 7 once merger completion is done. But keep your eye on this. I also want to tell you, PRSO, it's in the 90-cent range. Low float. It's going to be close to the announcement soon about how their deal has transpired with NATO and their military technology communications deal. That's also going to be big money. These are two plays that is very low in buy-in value that you can moon in. Like I said, come on to the Discord, subscribe to the YouTube. We're going to be doing another raffle off here soon. But I am willing to train. I like training and making other people money. So come on over. I will show you the profits. I will show you all of the trades that we're doing. I don't hide anything. So let's make some money, fellas and ladies. Let's do this. And let's make some money on EYEN.